Are downloads in Chrome being blocked? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Check Safe Browsing Settings. Open Chrome, click the three dots, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Security. Make sure Standard Protection is selected. If Enhanced Protection is blocking downloads, try switching to Standard. Step 2. Disable Extensions. Type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Turn off extensions that might block downloads, like ad blockers or security add-ons. Try downloading the file again. Step 3. Clear browsing data. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. This removes old data that can interfere with downloads. Step 4. Check antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block downloads. Temporarily disable them to test. Remember to re-enable protection afterward. Step 5. Reset Chrome settings. If the problem persists, go to Settings, then Advanced, then Reset and Clean Up, then Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. This fixes configuration issues without deleting bookmarks or passwords. That's it. Chrome should now allow downloads normally. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.